yourself into here, do you? There's a reason to stick around these parts, you know? Some kids all with them lines of flags fire. Come get some fuel to the max. My ass is slapped on your facade. Will show its cracks. Now pocket points and wish a pack a punch. Will you ever know? You hear that? No brains, no brawn. Your shit's is long gone. You're just a talker, a sleepwalker. You ain't worth my time, cause man, I'll shoot off like a mortar. If I'm blaming fury on it, time to head in the city. Get right here and get you what you are. Remember when you were broke, you spent your time, nobody but then I won't protect you. So don't take me on, even if you ain't got it. You'll live to see it, so it's far, so the people will agree like a battle one. We were small with the sauce, you do already go and see to the bottom of your source. So I see it's for a little bit, if you're telling me that's how you won't put together words you wish you never ever knew. Then I'm body, we were breaking down, so long until you bend on me and take the yellow every week. Cause if it was a ton of way, I never know another day. I'm fixed, you want me to go ahead and try. Face my overwhelming symphony. How much more is this story? Story as you study most, you go ahead and leave it right. Cause I'm fucking true, now you can do next. You want more clean for you, who's gonna see close to you? I think that is a yes.